Yeah, success. I mean, the average millionaire, guys, has about, what, 7 streams of income? And there we are. By the way, my job was just around the corner. So this will be my route. This bridge, I would cross it. And I was unhappy. I'd be taking the bus, even in the rain, guys, you know, just to get a job. And I've got a limited salary. That means I can't make more than, what, 30 grand, 40 grand, whatever the salary is for you. You've got to limit it. That's your limitation. You can't even breach that limitation. And that's really why I had to get out of there. It's because I was limited. Now you can make as much money as you want. No limitation. Nobody can tell you how much money you can make, and that's the beauty of it. Yeah, let's continue. So all I'm saying in this video, go out there and make something happen with yourself. I swear to you, I promise you, the money you're seeking is online. It's on the internet, right? Your day job won't make the same amounts of money. Your day job will ruin you. Your day job will hurt you. And I'm just saying it out of love. I don't want you to go out, quit your jobs, establish your side hustles, turn it into a full-time job. If you're unhappy with your current situation, then go ahead and do something with it. Go ahead and change your current lifestyle. I'm not here for everybody. I'm here for a specific amount of people. Those who are unhappy with their current situation are dreaming of making that money they're dreaming of, right? And I guarantee you one thing, you will make that money, because nothing else stops you. Nothing. Nobody, even yourself. If you put your head down, you will achieve those things, but you're just struggling. But I guarantee you one thing, the struggle is worth it. But if things are not working out for you, change your, your strategy, the way you do things, and then once it's refined, you will understand that now you're about to make that money. The beginning is going to be slow, and it's not even about money anymore. It's about lifestyle. It's about the way you want to live. It's about the hustle. It's about what you want to do when you make that money. Who are you going to give it to? What kind of life will you be living? Who will you be in next year or the year after? What kind of person will you be? You know, they say money makes you into a bad person. I say wrong. Money makes you into a good person, because when you have the money, you don't have to fight over it. You don't have to fight over it with your wife, husband, right? You can be generous, give it to someone. You walk past someone who's begging, you give that money to him or to her, right? Without hesitation. The majority of people walk past a beggar, they don't want to give that money to them, to that beggar. And that's what my motivation was, giving back to people. What can I do now? I don't want to just be living life, you know, depressed. Nah, I want to change my life so I can be generous with that money that I make. And that's the thing that drove me, is generosity. And that's what I need you to have. It's like, it's not about me anymore. It's about other people. I want to give back. And that's the mindset you need to have, guys. It's a rainy day, and your beginning is going to be rainy. It's going to be difficult. Whatever you do today, it's going to be difficult. So it's perfect for the video, I guess, right? Rain, difficulty comes hand in hand. Well, obviously it's not going to be raining where you are, but as long as you have a roof over your head, you can achieve anything. There's no way you can have an excuse for something. Like, you have to go out there and make something happen with your life, guys. You know, 6-12 months, like I said, is how much it takes. How many times can you just sit around complaining about your current life? A lot, right? Do something about it. So we're here at the Central Bank of Ireland, guys, as you can see. Now, that's where the money is, right? That's an organization that distributes the money. An organization like this controls your money and distributes it. Now, yes, obviously you need these organizations. I don't have anything against them. But again, these are the banks. The banks that give you the loans. The same banks that give you those mortgages and keep you in debt, keep you into a little slavery system that not many people break free from. So I need you to start breaking free. I need you to start being happy, guys. Because the reality is, you don't want to do that. You don't want to get a mortgage. You don't want to be paying debt. Nobody wants to, but again, this is what they said to us. They said, we're going to give you a loan so you can buy a home. Something meaningful, because not many people want to take loans. So if we give you something meaningful, you're going to take it. Income streams are based on the laptop. Now, some people say laptop money is risky. Why? Because they're not willing to believe in themselves. See, right now you believe in another person, you believe in a company, you believe in another person's idea, but you don't believe in yourself. You believe that this person's company is generating profit and is willing to pay you your income, your salary, but you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe that you can turn your own hands into a money-making mechanism. You don't believe in that. So that's why, you know, you say laptop money is risky. This is new money. I said this before, guys. New money will always be new money. This is 2019. I mean, this is your year. If anything, this is your year, guys. Go out there, look at the ideas that exist out there, whether it's stocks, day trading, swing trading. That's personally what I do. And I also have my online businesses, whether it's the marketing agency and other services that I provide. And obviously I turned all of that, right? All of that into my stream of income. One stream, those things pay me monthly salaries. Obviously we got the property and whatnot, and we're gonna grow and grow and grow as we get bigger and bigger. Not on YouTube, but financially, because once you get your foot in the door in anything, that's when you start climbing. And when you get your foot in the door with business, that's when you start climbing also. You start making as much money as you want. Nobody to stop you, nobody to tell you that's your cap, that's how much you can make. No, no, no. You're in charge of how much money you make. If you make $10, 2 years later, you're making $1 million. And that's the way it works, right? If you make $10 right now on the side, 2 years later, you're making $2 million, $5 million. Because there is nobody out there that is telling you that's how much you can make. Anyways, we're gonna see you again for another video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you enjoyed this city. This is my city. It's a rainy day. And most of you is from the UK and all over the world can relate to this weather. But yeah. Leave the like, follow me on Instagram, as simply said if you haven't already. I honestly just woke up, guys. You know, I still haven't had breakfast. You can see the face. So I just want to be as raw as possible in this video. So guys, let me just go through this whiteboard. Let me explain to you where you can start. I use these kind of videos to educate you because it's easier for you to learn from someone talking about his kind of personal experience than just to talk about random things. So I'm just going to talk about my kind of income streams, so maybe you can focus on these income streams yourself. Now, this isn't for everybody. You know, some of these things can be for you, others are not for you. So let me just explain that for you and how I done it, and you can do the same thing. Let's have a look on this whiteboard. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see the whiteboard. Let me just go into deep detail. So obviously here is me, a guy working a day job. Now this is me, let's say, when I got my job, because I encourage everybody to have their job ready. And I know when you have your job, some of you are unhappy with that job, and that's where you come in, start seeking answers. If you don't have a job, then that's okay, you can be here also. So obviously you know I trade, guys. Trading, whether it's stocks, whether it's stocks mainly, swing trading or day trading, but nowadays I'm really mixing everything together, so I have my own strategy, whether it's like a day trading, swing trading strategy, right? There's no name for that, but that's my strategy nowadays, so I mix it up in both together. So that's my trading right now with stocks. That makes up most of my income. Online businesses. Now, this is my marketing agency. This is the other thing that I said I don't talk about because of, you know, superstitions. Like I said, guys, you don't see me trade live most of the times, and there is a reason behind that, and that's because of my private life, right? This isn't kind of a trading YouTube channel. This is just a YouTube channel to educate you guys. Online services. Now, this is something that I never anticipated. I never said I'm gonna start this because I want to do some online services and make it part of my business. No, these two things make up most of my income, the trading and the online business. The online services came as a reward for giving back, you can say. What are these online services? Well, if you remember, I was in this penthouse with the bathtub in the middle of the in the sitting room. Well, I didn't pay for that, and I said in the video I didn't pay for any of these things, right? And I was there for 5 days, and that's because people were paying me to teach them what I know, right? And companies nowadays, they will pay you, companies, listen, I didn't say people, companies, right? They will pay you to know what you know. Teach them. And that's why I was in that penthouse. So online services came as a reward of giving back. And you can say that's the courses and whatnot, but that's just another stream of income. Now when I turned these kind of trading and online business into my full-time income, I went into property. Now property is another stream. Now that's where the solid kind of, now look at this, some people don't believe in the online money, but now they believe in property. Once I said property, now they understand, yeah, there's money to be made from online, because you convert the online money into property. And that's the long-term goal, is to take everything you make and invest it into hard assets, bricks and mortars, real estate. So $10 to $20,000. What does that mean? Well, as a beginner in anything, in any business, expect to make that $10 per month. If you can make $10 per month, and this is why not many people succeed and don't want to go after the dreams and make that business happen, it's because they see the $10, they're like, what? I can make more than that gambling. That's the poor mentality. So if I can make $10 consistently in any of these businesses, right? I'm ready. I guarantee you, I put my word on it, you will be successful. You just have to keep pushing, keep going. Then, after a while, you start making the 20,000. Then, a few months later, 40,000, 50,000. You know, it's a process gradually, and then it only took about 12 months. Or 12 months of hard work. Yes, you can do the same thing. Put the head down, my friends. So that's really the idea of this kind of income streams. These are 4 income streams or 5 income streams that I have. Obviously, these are 2 businesses here in the online business. There's 2 businesses here, and trading stocks. So that makes up most of my income, guys. And I guarantee you one thing, if you just put the head down, you will feel the same way. You will understand what I mean when I talk about these things. So here is what I want to say, guys. As a thank you, I want to give back some of my courses to you guys, right? So I'm giving 3 people my courses. So all you have to do, go to my Instagram, the last post, the last picture I posted, just comment Monopoly in the comment section, and I will use the random comment generator, pick a winner, and I will announce it in the stock video, the next stock video that we have. So go to my Instagram, type in Monopoly, and yeah, you can follow me there as well if you want. And I'll announce a winner on my Instagram and also on YouTube. That's my thank you for you guys. And if you're interested in my courses also, they're in the description. Like I said, if you haven't got it, you know, in December, make sure you get in December if you're interested in my course, because after December, we're going to double in value because I'm adding new content, valuable content that many people don't have in their trading right now. So, thank you guys for everything so far. I wish you the best of luck in 2019. I swear to you, if you put your head down, you will be living that lifestyle that you want to live. Nobody's going to stop you. You just have to put your head down. Doesn't matter if it's to do with business or to do with your dreams. If you want to become a doctor, surgeon, go after those dreams. Nobody's stopping you. Right? But again, if you can create a passive income from the side, why not? Why not? See you again for another, just like always. My Instagram is simply Zed, for those of you guys who want to enter in the course giveaway. And also, you can comment the same thing in the Monopoly here. So if we don't get many people on Instagram, put it here to increase your chance. Just comment Monopoly. See you again for another, just like always.